How to delete a Zelle recipient in Wells Fargo. If you'd like to delete a Zelle recipient on Wells Fargo, first of all, you launch the Wells Fargo application over here. So let me just launch the Wells Fargo app and just make sure to log in using your mobile banking. So you can type in a username, password, and tap the sign on button to sign into your account. Now just look for the Zelle section, right? So you can look for a manage recipient or a similar option within the Zelle interface and identify the recipient you want to remove and select the delete or remove contact button. Then when you've done that, you may be prompted to confirm your deletion. Select yes, delete or remove contact to finalize the process. And that's all it takes for us to delete a Zelle recipient in Wells Fargo. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.